So welcome to the Grange Eye Consultants YouTube channel. What we've done is assemble a large number of videos. We're trying to explain the conditions that we treat, the treatments that we offer, and really benefiting from all the expertise amongst all our colleagues within the Grange Eye Consultants group. We hope that you really enjoyed looking at it, that it will be informative, and that it will provide you with the information that you require so that you can come and see us, and you'll talk with some knowledge about the condition that you may have and then how we can help you. If you have already been to see us, a lot of the information in the videos I hope will be very useful for you. It'll just reiterate what we said in the consultation, act as an aide-memoire, and so that will again expand your knowledge of your particular condition and help you with the treatment that we're proposing for you.